हेलो गाइस। जैसा कल मैंने बोला था कि we'll go with I'll explain you the formula tan. What is tan theta and tan a plus tan b equal to tan a plus tan b minus divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So these are all the formulas which I have written. And one moment, somebody is asking the question. Yeah. So these are the form. This is one. This is one. This one I have written. Okay. Today I'll be explaining you how this formula is arrived and what all things is. Tan A plus tan B I have written, and tomorrow I'll solve tan A minus tan B. My live session is very small. Okay, I'll just keep it for maximum 5 minutes or 10 minutes maximum, as there is a scarcity of time for me. Okay, so I'll just directly go into the formula. Okay, if you see my thumbnail and all, okay, and if the formula I have arrived at, I have given is an thumbnail image. Okay, so that they can understand what is the topic today it is going to be. So the for this is our question: tan A bracket B, okay, is equal to tan A plus tan B 1 minus tan B. Okay. Now what is tan theta? Tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. Okay. This is in the basic. Okay. When we if you see my formulas for trigonometry and all. Okay. Today also if you see I presented with conceptual classes. Okay. How to what is perpendicular, what is hypothesis, and what is base and all. Okay. So this is perpendicular, this is hypothesis, this is base. Okay, so these all conceptual things I have presented today for my classes in 4 p.m. Blog, which I presented it. And now and there it, some tan formulas and all. Okay, so tan theta is always sine theta by cos theta. We that is by heart. Okay, we need to remember this. Okay, we have to remember if you want to solve any problem in tan and all. Okay, so tan A is what? Sin A. Tan A plus B is equal to sin A by cos B, because theta we have taken as a theta we have taken A plus B. Okay, because we have to take a question for A plus B. Okay, so tan A plus B is equal to sin A plus B divided by cos A plus B. Now what is sin A plus B? This is this also has a formula. Okay, sin A plus B, sin A plus B. Okay, sin A plus B, then comes sin A minus B. Then it is cos A plus B, cos A minus B. I'll just put it in an image for in the coming days. Okay, in one of a sort of a different type of formula. I'm also presenting in some of the shorts and videos. Okay, giving up the formulas and all, because if you want to learn trigonometries and all, you have to you have to be very conceptual in the formulas and all. Okay, then only you can go ahead. Okay, somebody is asking a question. I'll answer later. Okay. So this is our formula. Sin A, tan A plus B is equal to sin A plus B by cos A plus B. Okay. Now what is sin A? Sin A is sin A plus into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Okay. This is not very tough. Okay. Once or twice you guys will practice and all. Okay. You will get to know the formulas and also. Uh, it is like in a rough note. You have to practice. Okay. Maximum 4 to 5 times, and the formula is there in the sin A plus B is sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. What is cos A and cos B? See, I've told you sin A and cos A plus B. Cos A plus B is cos A into cos B minus, okay, minus sin A into sin B. First is tan theta. Tan theta sin theta by cos theta. Sin, then sin by sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B by cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. So sin theta formula is different and cos theta formula is different. Okay, cos A plus B. Both have different formulas and all. Okay. Now, if you remember, okay, now if you have to take out the LCM and all. Okay, that is very lengthy and all. Okay, I've just what I've taken. I've what is that in a rough. I prepared everything for you guys. Okay. Now what is this? Cos A into cos B. Cos A into cos B is sin A by cos A plus sin B into cos B by cos A into cos B. If you take out the LCM formulas and all, okay, of this the lower part, okay, this is numerator and this is denominator. Okay, the numerator and denominator also I've explained in the my first session if you want to see. Okay, So if you take out the LCM method, okay, so cos A into cos B by cos A into cos B, this is sin A by cos A plus sin B by cos B. Okay, so now what is this? Cos, then it is next line will be 1 minus sin A into sin B by cos A into cos B. This is very complicated. It is very lengthy when it comes to take out of the formulas and all. If you remember, I have taught you the LCM method. Okay, 1 by 4 and all. Okay, sin theta, cos theta. I have presented it. Okay, if you want to see how to take out the LCM and all, you need to go to the my previous session and all. Okay, so 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 this part, this is sin A plus cos B, sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B divided by cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. So this is the main thing which you need to see. Okay, because if this thing is wrong, if you do the calculation and this thing is wrong, the main thing, okay, this is the body, this is the body of the your formula. If this thing is wrong, okay, your formula definitely answer is going to be wrong. So this we need to remember. Okay, this is cos A into cos B, this is a box bracket, sin A by cos A plus sin B by cos B, box bracket close. Then this is cos A into cos B bracket, 1 minus sin A into sin B by cos A into. This also I have elaborated in my previous videos and all. If you see what is this formula and all. Okay, now what is this? Now if you divide it, cos will go. Okay, cos B will go. Okay, now what is sin A plus sin A and cos A? Now sin A and sin B is, that is theta. Okay, that is tan theta. Sin B by cos B, tan theta. Okay, 1 minus sin A into sin B, cos A into cos B, tan A into cos B. So this is the what we'll get it, tan A and this one. Formula view there. Answer it is over here. If somebody have any query and all, okay, just ping me up and I'll get it clarified. Waiting for some queries and all. If something is there, just let me know. I'll get it clarified. Thanks for the people who are joining me and giving me. This is a morale boost for me. Who are joining me and giving me the comments. So today I presented it tan A, okay, tan B and all, how to take out the formulas and all. This is, you can see, if you want to learn how to take out the formulas and all, tomorrow I'll come with some different formulas and all. Okay, how to prove that. Okay, prove the LHS and RHS and all. Then there is a Pythagoras theorem. Everything I'll just prepare in the live classes and I'll show across. Okay, this is how my things. I'll be writing a question, I'll be solving it, and all the answer is there. So if you want to get connected, okay, this is my tan A I have taken out. Okay, now tan A minus B. Okay, this is tan A plus B. This is tan A minus B. Only thing is minus problem is there. Okay, instead of minus plus, it goes minus. Formula remains the same. You can go ahead and solve yourself. If some queries are there, just ping me in my team. Sorry, what is that? Just drop me a message in my YT, and I'll get it clarified. That's all for guys. That's all. If there are peoples, okay, okay, thank you. Somebody written nice. If there are something, if you want to ask, just ping me. Goodbye to all. I'll connect you tomorrow. I'll just try to make it a 5 to 10 minutes every day between 6 to 6:30. If it is not there, then I'll come by 8 or 9 p.m. maximum. But definitely I'll try to come for live every day so that I get connected with you guys. Thank you all. Bye bye.